Today I'm going to be reviewing MUSICOZY's 5.4 Bluetooth headband. These are really cool. I want to thank MUSICOZY for sending this to me to review. This is just for scale. There's a little pen. It's just the size of a headband. They're really easy to pair with your Bluetooth on your phone. You just hold this down and then you connect it. You can go up or down. I've seen some where the cord comes out the back. This one doesn't have that. So in order to charge it, you just go on the back of here. And you'll see right there, if you can see it, I don't know if you can see that right there, but right on the back, there's the place to charge it. And then the headphones, the little circles that sit in here. And I had another one and it moved around a lot. It had much more space. This is much more secure and they're not going to move around as much. They're on each side right here. You can't see it because it's in a dark color, but they do have different colors. This one is a little bit better than the other ones I've seen, like I said, because those headphones aren't going to be moving around a lot, which can be a pain in the butt. But these are really good for while you're running. I use them sometimes when I'm sleeping. I've had the other like headphones in my ears. They fall out. These, at worst, it comes off your head and it's easier to find than the little ones. So this does really well on Amazon. It's an Amazon choice. Over 7,000 of these were bought last month in October of 2025. It does get 4.2 stars. I like to see 4.4, but I think on an item like this, does really well. And with the 24,000 reviews, I think you can be safe to get this if you are looking for something like this. I hope the review helps, and I'll see you next time.